Alright, we're getting into it. So, good news, got the official contract for this project. Some less good news is that we might not be... Hang on one second, let me just make sure this is... Okay, I'm gonna turn down this music, hang on, I'll start over. Turn this down. Sorry, it's just really loud. Okay, that's better. Okay, so good news. Official contract came in. I have to review that, and I'm gonna work on it, getting that like finalized. But again, less good news is that they are gonna probably want to go with the old project. The way the old project looked was, in my opinion, not super great, but they want to use what they've got existing. Totally fine. So we're gonna be working on that. I'm still going to work on this and, you know, get this working. But it just might be that this isn't used. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Because I would like to finish this as for myself. You know, I think that it would be really cool to finish this myself. So I'll keep working on it. But as it stands now, this project might not be, this particular version of the project might not be used. I have to work on the old version, whoever made the other thing. Floor 01. So we're gonna copy these 4 times. Oh, I see. Hang on. Let's not do this. Delete that. We'll just call this blower. 2, 3, 4. And then delete that. So I have blower 1, 2, 3, 4. It's okay, actually. I want to keep them like this. And then I'll parent this. Empty parent. Rename to empty. I don't know. Blowers. So we're just kind of redoing the work that we did the other day, but we're going to do it in the UI fashion. Okay, so we got our blowers. Alright. Righto. So. Oops. Yeah, this is actually going to start from the bottom left and go up. And then this is going to go up. Okay, guess not. Yeah, how did that happen? Okay, so this one needs to go behind everything. Great, okay. So it wasn't from that side. Weird. Okay, try again. So it goes here. This goes down. Look! The order here doesn't make sense. Okay, how about this? Yeah, the order here doesn't make sense. Okay, so we're gonna say position 0, position 1, position 2, position 3. Does that work? So now this should be on top of everything. Looks like it. This should go, so this should be 0, 0. This should be next to it on the right. This should be next to that on the right. And this should be next to that on the right. Okay, got it. I get all these and bring them over here. Now hit play and we make sure that we can click on them individually. Huh? Texture is not using crunch compression. Okay. Alright. Let's see if we can fix this. Texture not readable or not using crunch compression. Let's see. So we go to my texture. Wrap mode. That's fine. That's fine. Input text alpha. Alpha is transparency. Read and write. Genwrap. I think it's just read and write. Full rect. Apply. Play. Okay. Beautiful. That's exactly what I want. So everything that's clickable needs to have this. Let's go ahead and change the aspect ratio a few times. See how it responds to that. I don't understand really how that's gonna work out if somebody has a 4K screen or QHD. Okay, so if it's this, let's go ahead and work on one of these at a time, making sure that these okay, let's hit play for that. Okay. And I'll bring this over here. We'll play and see how this works. So let's change. I don't really want to bring it over to I don't want to bring it over to a mobile device. Don't really care about that. This is what I care about. This looks correct for the most part. There's just some perspective stuff that gets really messed up. That looks right. That looks fine. That looks fine. Okay. Right, okay, so let's jump out of this. Let's look at this button again. All right. That's a blower. Oh. Free aspect does not look right. Okay. Can I get this to go away? Yep. Let's go 50-50. 0.5 on both. Reference pixel per unit? I don't know. See, this is the one that gets all messed up. It doesn't stretch the same way. Hang on, let's ask. What is free aspect? Free aspect. Free aspect refers to a setting in the game view that allows the display game window to scale freely to any resolution without maintaining a fixed aspect ratio. I mean, you can resize the window without distortion by changing the width and height independently. Effectively changing the aspect ratio as you resize it is the default setting for game view. Dynamic resizing. Ah, screw it. Everything looks good on these other resolutions. Except for this one. Maybe I do need to do not pixels, constant pixel size, expand? No, I like match width and height, shrink, expand. Match width and height I think is the correct way to go with this. So maybe this is a problem with the grass. Oh, it looks very good. My pointer. My grass. My pointer is an image. My grass is an image. My water is an image. My pointer is centered directly. Are these also preserve aspect ratio? So raw image, and this is just an image. Ah, so maybe that's what I need to do. Oh, it's gone, dude. That's better, man. I mean, can't hope for perfect. Somehow, with the simulator, it flattens it. That's crazy to me. Okay, so I think we designed for this. Okay, this looks pretty straight to me. And then let's go to the game. Switch around to some other aspect ratios. These are the ones that are like in question. This one's fine, dude. Like, I don't really know. This right here. Oh, this is fine. Yeah, that looks so much better. I mean, it's not perfect, don't get me wrong, but like it looks so much better than what it was before. Alright, let's do it. Let's go ahead and work on doing this panel. It's not a sprite. I need to add a UI image. Raw image. This right here. Is a native size. Okay, then we'll take it off. Rotation 0. On top of this. Okay, like that. We'll add a button. Object. We'll add a UI button. Okay. Delete this. We'll go to sprites. Drop this in. Set native size. Shrink it a little bit. Right. Okay. Raw button. Okay. Raw image. This is a settings blower settings panel. Things panel. Okay. Blower. I will add another image. Okay, UI. Raw image. Drag this here. Let me just look at this. This is my thing. Okay. Okay, rename to power switch. 0, 0, 0, 0. 0. Oh, these are sprite renders. My bad. Add UI buttons. First, we'll add some buttons. And then I'll add a light. Okay. Delete the text. Delete the text. On is this one. Off is this one. Both of these set native size. And the switch goes here. Light. Gets 2 images. Create empty parent. UI images. Am I adding raw images or images? Raw images. Okay, let's hit play real quick. See these? Click. Why won't this click? Power switch. Button. They're practically the same. Not really sure why these. Okay, first off, here we go. There's my power switch. All right. Let me go ahead and put a text in here. UI text. Let's go ahead and center this. I'll call it power. Power. Make it black. Make it bold. I wonder if I have any other fonts I can use. It's fine. I wonder why. I have some other assets. So mouse, pointer, debug, clickable, scripts, canvas controller, don't destroy, scene load. I just want to make a simple script that turns things on and off. On and off, that's all I want. So let's go ahead and make something for that. So rename add a script here. Add a script called toggle. Toggleable. Or toggler. Haha. Toggler's good. Let's try that. So edit script. So it's going to have an activate, deactivate. It's going to have a private void toggle. It's going to have a public game objects array. Not game objects, excuse me. It's game object array. Public game object array called activate, and a public game object array called deactivate. Okay. And then when you toggle for each activate game object, game object obj in activate, you're going to game object dot set activate to false, no, to true, and then the opposite for this one. For each game object in deactivate, object set activate to false. So it'll just turn things on and off. Toggler, nice. Okay, cool. So we'll come over here. Things are off right now. That's good. Oh, so this off switch. So I need these things to switch back and forth. Add component, toggler, and then in this component, I'm going to, the off switch will activate the on switch, will activate the light switch, on and on. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be confusing. Off, turns this on, turns this on. Oh my god, please. Okay, good. Alright, and then you turn off this light, and then yourself. Okay, cool. Toggler, toggler. Where's my function? Toggler. I'm trying to find it. I made it public. Public void toggle. Come on. Public void. Off from the toggler. Okay, hang on. Oh, it's private. Public. Alright. Don't know why that was private. So, where am I at? What's the duration? 30 minutes? Damn, that sucks. Toggler. This will toggle. Beautiful. Okay, so that should do that. Now this needs a toggler as well. Hopefully you guys got togglers. The on will activate the off switch and the off light. and it'll deactivate the on light and the you're on yourself. And this, get my toggle script in here. Image. Let's see. Toggler, toggle. Okay, cool. Now, this button as well has it. I think I might. I don't understand why this button isn't working. Add component, toggler. We're going to just simply deactivate the blower settings panel. That's all you do. Now the blower, this blower, going to the toggler. All the blower does is activate the blower settings panel. Okay. Alright, now I can turn this off. Press play. And now it should work. Not working. Blower. Okay, sorry. Okay, game object, toggler, function, toggler, toggle. You come over here. Okay. That's power. Still can't seem to click that. Pointer? Bring it all the way down to the bottom. Oh, did I not set this to position 100? Mouse brain. Pointer 100. What did I set to 100 then? Oh my gosh, my mouse is gone. Dude, that sucks. Oh, come on. You need to stay above everything. Click on this. Click on this. I should be able to click on that. So something is going on with this blower panel that is preventing it from closing. It is this button. This button is the problem. Is it because it is a button? Something is wrong with it. There's an aspect. Materials recasting. Use bright mesh. This seems to be working fine as a button. Off and X. So why is this button not working? I mean, screw it, man. I'll just do another button, right? Add a power switch. Add a UI button. We'll just call it power or X. X. Let's try pressing the button. Come on. Somehow I'm able to click that, but not that. Is it because it's under the power switch? Try now. No, still not pressable. How the hell? Why? What? What the hell, dude? I don't understand. That's a brand new button. This should be pressable. How did this... I'm actually confused. Okay. Why is this button not interactable at all? Mm-hmm. Ouch, my wrist. Holy crap. I don't know, dude. That, buttons should be usable. Let me just throw a button down right here. Let me just make a big old button, I guess. Totally usable. Not sure why. Let me put it into the blower. No longer, oh no. No longer usable somehow. What is this text? Okay, there's the text. Button. Okay, let me bring it outside of this. Clickable. Did I make these clickable? No, I didn't do anything to these. Button sliced. Simple? Dude, it's like as soon as it becomes a part of this, I can't touch it. What the fuck? What is going on? What? I need this to work. I mean, okay. Oh man, dude, I don't know. Let's take this blower in particular and turn it on. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna this to power. Take it out, just put it here. We'll just go to 0, 0. Name. Blower. Number 01. Okay. Blower number 1, bring up the font size. Okay. Don't understand. This is not a ray casting target. I'm gonna add a button on top. Oh, okay, hang on. Is this a ray casting target? It is. This is. Okay, we're going to add another button. I want to just play test. Please, let me click the button. This is clickable. This is not clickable. Is it because of my pointer? No. What the hell? Why is only one section of the button clickable? I'm confused. Something's covering it. Oh. Is it because of this? That doesn't... Okay, hang on. Let me test something. This will be weird if it is that. Oh my god, dude. What the hell? How is that? Okay, fine. Take it. I bet if I take it out of this, keep them here as individual things, I bet this will work now. Crazy. Yeah, these work individually now. Okay. Okay, let's add something to the toggler. Edit script. On toggle. Debug.log. What the hell? Debug.log. You're gonna out game object dot name. Just want to see what you're clicking. Okay. Nothing. Fuck it. Fuck off. Okay. On and off. Okay, that's fine. The toggler's going off. Maybe I'd like to see... I'll think about that. So this now could be fixed. So dumb. It's based on the hierarchy of that thing. It's so... Whoa, dude. What the hell? Button rename. Back. Let's go back. UI sprite. This. Get rid of that. Grab my back button. This really does not matter. Power switch goes back to where it was at. My back button gets shrink a little bit. Okay. Like that. Name, power, blah, 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 blah. Let's add a UI slider. Default is 50. 100. Whole numbers, please. Value as at 100. Is here. Scale this up a little bit. Scale this up a little bit. Yep. Fan control. Rename to fan control. There. 0, 0, 0. Slider. Bring you down a little bit. Okay, I would like if this thing were centered. But I guess I just won't get what I want. That's fine. Push base here. We'll go fan control. Bring this size down. Slider. Bring this down underneath the fan control. Bring the whole fucking thing down. God. Up, up, up. Like that. There you go. Fan control. Alright. Then let's add a repair button. For settings panel. Pointer. We can turn this back on. Let's just shrink it a bit more. Let's go 0.3. 0.3. No, 0.3, thank you. There you go. And then we'll add a right. What is a placeholder text? Hold on. Ipsum text. Okay. Name, fan controller, power switch, back button. I need to add the toggler here. Toggler. All you need to do is deactivate this entire settings panel. Open this up. We'll drop this toggler in here. No function. Toggler. Toggle. Alright, cool. The toggler will eventually need to get some sounds as well. I'm not gonna add it now, but we will be adding that for sure. Lower control panel. I need to add another button here, so we're going to add a UI button. TextMesh Pro. Call it repair. Repair. Bring this down to the bottom. Bump it up in size. And we add the text. Repair. Like that. Okay. Now we need to add a descriptor. Add UI text mesh pro. Okay. It's going to be Ipsum generator. Grab this, drop that. Okay. Now we come over here to my where is this? This right here? Okay, so we're gonna rename this to details. Details. And move it up here. I'm going to fill up this space. You can see that we don't have a lot of space. Drop all this down in size. Okay, I'm going to add another button for details as well. So let's go ahead and add a details button, a UI button, and call it details panel, details panel. Okay, so we're going to take this text, details. Okay, we're going to take this, move it here. I want the width and height to be the same, 160. Oops, 160, like that. Okay, cool. Let's get this and move it slightly to the right. And then we'll call it a day on this blower fan control settings panel. Ooh. Grab this. I got my lorem ipsum. Man. Alright, let's go and open this up. Click on that. You can click on the repair button, control the fan, power on and off, hit our details button, close that. Beautiful. This is exactly what I wanted. It doesn't look perfect, but it is what I wanted, nonetheless. Ooh, you know what? Every time this comes awake, I need it to check the power status. I need these to regularly check the power status. I will do that for sure. Okay, next is the details panel underneath that, or above, that's going to be buried in this as well. So let's go ahead and UI overview. No, blower. Okay. Next is the blower. This one. Bring it in here. Oh no, okay, so that's not right. We're going to go here, blowers. We're going to put this into a parent, parent as well. I don't think so, actually. Keep it out. It would be probably for the best to figure out some way to instantiate the panels, the settings panel, to recognize which blower has pressed so that it updates. But for me, I'm going to just make panels for every single blower. So it's like an object altogether. Is that the right way to do it? I don't know. Because there is a way for me to check to see which panel's pressed. It's good. It's fine. Okay. So we're going to create an empty, we're going to create a UI, raw image, drop this in here, set native size. We're going to come in here and get my back button, copy that into here. We're going to call this the details panel. Details, blower details, blower details panel. I'm going to drop this on here, bring this all the way over here. This detail panel, this details button, we're going to toggler. It will activate, deactivate. It will deactivate this panel and activate this panel. This back button has a toggler as well. You will get a deactivate on this and a activate on this. Beautiful. Now this panel is supposed to look a certain way, so let me just go ahead and write this in here. So right, so we're going to add a title. UI toolkit, no, UI, text mess pro, name. Let's go ahead and fix this. Rename this to name. Up here in the top right. Let's look up Lone Star Turbo really fast. Lone Star Turbo. Compressors. Let's see if I can find a symbol for this. Just trying to find a there's one. Okay, 1 second. I have open image in your tab. Beautiful. Copy image. Nice. Okay, cool. I got the image. I'm gonna drop it in my assets folder. Project validation. Scripts, prefabs, images. Let's go to images and drop it here. Open this up in GIMP real fast and just fix it. Like, take away the outside. What the hell? What the hell? Seriously? That is incomprehensible. Okay. Okay, let's try that. Alrighty. Select grow by a little bit. A single pixel should do it. Okay, nice. Select. I'm gonna have to add alpha to selection. Add alpha channel. And then erase again. Beautiful. File, export as. Lone Star, Blower, JPEG, replace it. So I wanted. Close that. Quality is 100%, please. Just go changes. Now I have my JPEG. Now I should be able to go here. There's my image. I should be able to drop this in. Add a image. UI image. Drop this here. Oh, damn it. Well, I tried. Rename to logo. I will fix it. It's just we've got a lot of other pressing things. It'd be super nice if that wasn't like that. Hang on. I can fix it. Here. Show and Explorer. Open with GIMP. File, select this. Erase. Oh gosh, add alpha channel and erase. Then I'll file, export as a PNG instead, so I can get that transparency. Compression level none. Okay, go ahead and do that. Discard changes. There we go. That's what I wanted. Drop this in. Haha! Come here. Drop it here. There you go. That's much better. Okay. Name. Rename to subname. Sub. Alt name or subname. 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 It's attached to this and below it. We're gonna go ahead and bump these to the left. Okay. Let's go ahead and delete the subname. Make sure the name is where I want it to be. Okay. Okay, let's add another image. UI, raw image. This is equipment. Equip image. Okay, let's go ahead and add that name now. Subname. Rename to subname. Okay, name and subname. Where's my reference? I lost it somehow. There it is. Okay, so power flow pressure. Let's go ahead and put this together. Okay. Here, it'll be here. It'll be the same thing. Let's go ahead and bring this down to 24. the flower? Flow. Creating pressure. Powerful pressure. Flow. Pressure. Okay. And then a Epsom Lorem again. Let's go ahead and open this back up. Turn this on. Get this details. Copy it into here. Turn this off. Turn this on. Get my details. Right. So we'll go ahead and open this out. Bring the font size up. We manufacture the most advanced incentive. Okay. Bring this in here. So these go at the top. This is here. This is powerful pressure, details, and then of course I'm gonna bring down another thing here. Let's go ahead and make these all black as well before I continue. Powerful pressure. Sorry. These are all black. Even subname details 2. It's gonna be alright, so we manufacture the advanced line of centrifugal blowers and compressors, the industry. So we're gonna go ahead and get this one set up like that. Industry. Make it bold. Shrink it down. Please visit our website at gamesblowers.com or call today regarding your next application. Let me put this away. Okay, I'm going to actually take this stuff and put it into a empty parent as well, called all details. Oops. Details. Bring it up slightly. This is a footer. Okay, I think somewhere like right about here is fine. I'll copy another footer in and put it here. Drop it down below, and I'll say, please visit our website at www.lonesstarblower.com or call today regarding your next application. Okay, and then I'm going to shrink that even further, drop the bold, bring it up a little bit. This is a footer to go into the details right here. Okay. Let's keep this like this right here. And let's add another button. So add a button. And it's gonna take us to a website. How about that? Add a button. Effects, light, UI, button, text mesh pro. Let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and say here, click for more. Info. I'm going to make the button 160 by 160. And I'm going to make it green. I'm going to make it this like light green that the guy did. Call for more info. Maybe make the button a little bit wider. More info. Okay. Look for more info. Like that. Make that text bold. Make this wider. Sorry. Look for more info. And then I'm gonna put that Lone Star Turbo image as well. I wonder, okay, hang on. Unity. I need a Unity script that has a function that will open a URL. Okay. Let's go to this button real quick. Open website. Add component. New script. Website. Okay. I don't know if it'll do this. Start turbo. Okay, so website, edit the script. Let's try this. I don't know if this is gonna be it actually. Open the URL, string URL. If string is null, start open URL string equals on start. I don't want to do that. Open URL, public string URL. I don't need this. It's going to take the URL from the public if null or empty. Will this return an error if it is invalid? Okay, let's try. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we're gonna go here. Open URL. Oh, okay, sorry, hang on. So I gotta go here. Name. Open URL. There you go. Close that. We should be fixed now. Clear. Clear. Trigger. How about that? It thinks it's a constructor. Okay, there. Open website. Open URL. Let's go and paste this in there. Copy, paste. Open URL. Open URL. Trigger. Let's try this. No way. Oh, that's so easy. Look for more info. Super nice. Oh, that is so nice. Okay, cool. That's good. That works. That works so good. Okay, now let's go ahead and get this also equipment image and then a contact image. Okay, let's get this set up right here. Like that. Okay, cool. Now. Beautiful. So this is my blower details panel. Go and close this down. Open this. So I should be able to click this. Click. Damn it, it didn't work. My details panel. Details panel button. Blower details panel. Ah, okay, sorry. Here we go. Get this. Toggler. Toggle. There we go. Go to blower. Details. That's good. Lots of good details. Okay, close that. Repair button, fan control, details, power works, fan control, repair. I wish I probably okay, hang on. Details. Oh my gosh, it works so well. It's so clean, dude. Oh my gosh, okay, hang on. I'm gonna put a timer. Add a timer so the button will not trigger several times. Please. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's get out of here. Yes, so damn, so dumb. Yeah, let's store the last time the button was clicked. Okay. Now, if it is not empty, I mean, I'm not gonna do all that. I'm gonna just do time minus last click time is greater than equal to cooldown time. Okay, like that. Time dot time is a it's and. Yeah, perfect. I don't want them to just be able to spam the fuck out of that. Boop. Dude, that is so clean. Let's go. It works so fast. Okay, great. Let's look at the free aspect. Okay, let's go ahead and close that. 16 by 19. Okay, let's close this. Let's go ahead and look at my blower settings panel and my details panel. Bring these back on. So we're gonna work on these both. Let's close this one. Alright, let's go zoom, 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 zoom way in. What the hell? Hey. Let's turn the gizmos off for now. $1920 by 1080. Alrighty. So let's go ahead and turn my gizmos back on real quick. Let's see if I can figure this panel out. What is this about? Okay. Okay. So to get this to work, okay, so yes, okay, beautiful. Oh man, that's super helpful. It is relative to this thing. Beautiful. I think this is gonna take care of it. Shit. That. Oh, damn it. It looks awful. How do I fix this? Oh no. Okay. 1 second. Holy shit. Okay. Crap. Maybe it is. Let me try this instead. Maybe it is. It's talking about this. Maybe it's talking like this. This is what it's supposed to be. Like, fucking no, oh, damn it. No, 1920, 1980. This is my reference size. So let's try this. Back button. Power details. It's just the box size. Details panel. It's just the box size. Okay, let's try that. Much better. Much better. Not perfect. Not perfect. But better. Okay, so that tells me too that this blower, its size, this needs to be this, but this needs to be, huh? It is not perfect, but it's better. The knock is goated. Okay, cool. Okay, goated. So that is a blower and its settings panel and its details panel, all kind of done. So I'll have to take a break here, but I'm happy with this. We're making good progress. I will be seeing y'all in the next one. See ya. Bye bye. Oh shit. Hi Ethan. Oh, when did Ethan send that? I didn't see that message. I was too busy working. Okay, I'm gonna have to call him. Okay, bye.